I was a product of an affair between my mom and dad. My mom was already married and had a 1-year-old daughter. She wanted to abort me, but my dad begged her and paid her a hefty sum. She signed over all rights and I didn't see her for my 14 years of life. She recently contacted my dad saying she wanted to get to know me better, and he said it's entirely up to me. I was skeptical but decided to meet her. I've been talking to my mom's side for about 2 months when at a family gathering they all sat me down and said the reason they contacted me was because my half-sister was having kidney failure and was basically dying. At a loss for words, I got up and left. I told my dad and he said it's entirely up. Okay guys, I woke up to a DM about someone who's asking for help, so this is the story and I'm going to read it as if I'm her. She really needed advice and so she's going to be looking in the comments on what to do next. My friend is being abused. We met on social media and then we met in person and I saw the bruises all over her body. She also told me that in another friend group she's getting sexually abused and drug abuse. She made me promise to never go to the authorities because when she did last year, the bruises only got worse and nothing happened. A few days ago, the abuse got really bad and so she asked to come over to my house. My mom was suspicious. My fiance's girl best friend has never liked me. We were all hanging out when Madison and Michael came out from a room with Madison crying. Michael looks at me and starts swearing and says I'm a raging bitch. Being hormonal and pregnant, I start crying and asking what's wrong. He proceeds to tell me about the text message I sent Madison. I told her I would not allow her near our child. I only sent this text message after the many racist texts she sent me about my child and I, me being biracial and all. Instead of hearing me out, Michael kicked me out of the house that we shared. On my way out, I felt a lower cramp in my abdomen, and I thought nothing of this because I was not due for another 3 weeks. This is an ongoing mess that continues to haunt me. My sister is recently engaged to her boyfriend of many years. He proposed to her at one of our family barbecues, and I was really happy for them until I saw the ring. My sister had hinted that her and her boyfriend were discussing tying the knot, and we discussed rings at length. I went online and searched for the type of ring she said she was interested in and happened across a very unique and pretty ring on Etsy, but it had a fake middle stone. As soon as I saw the ring, I recognized it. Everyone knows they're supposed to spend at least 3 to 4 months paying on an engagement ring. He has a good paying job and 4 months wages for him would be at least 8 to 10K at an estimate. Tell me why someone commented on one of my videos yesterday and she's like, all your stories are so depressing. Can you post about something positive for once? So here's my feel-good story. I don't have many, but you're gonna get one. I was driving home from school one day. I had a presentation. I live about an hour away from college. I'm going home. It's 6:80, Bay Area traffic. It's pouring rain, and I get a flat tire. I know how to change a tire, but it was raining, mud, and I was in a suit, and I was like, I do not want to do this. The tow truck was going to take 2 hours. So I start pulling out the jack, the tire from my trunk,